Well, good morning. It's Crazy Cheap Chick, and tonight I'm going to make a Southwest salad. It's got black beans and corn. It's why the other day I was trying to find that white corn that I never could find. It's got avocados, cherry tomato. It's delicious. Whenever I'm asked to bring a dish to a picnic, this is what I bring. But the tip is don't add the avocados until you're ready to serve the dish, because you don't want them to go brown. So I always take the avocados with me and cut them up and put them in the salad at the event if I take it somewhere. But it's a really simple, easy, and not that expensive salad. So I think you'll like it. Let's make it. We're gonna start with just a can of black beans, and I don't think it matters what brand you use. These are Goya, and I did rinse them. And next, we are gonna add a bag of corn. Now, this is just, you don't cook it. I'm just gonna put it in cold, but we're not gonna eat it till tonight, so it'll be thawed out by this evening. Next, I'm gonna add a little bit of chopped green pepper and a little bit of chopped red pepper, not a ton, and some onion. Don't want it to be overwhelming, so a lot of people don't like raw onions, so I don't put a whole ton in. I'm going to add a few chopped cherry tomatoes. That's about half a package. Now I've chopped some cilantro. It's okay to chop up the stem. It doesn't hurt anything. I usually chop it almost all the way down. Chopped about that much cilantro. What is that? Probably a handful. And if you don't like cilantro, leave it out. Now I'm just going to add a little olive oil, because this is kind of a dressing. I mean, it's just a cold salad. And some honey. And we're also going to put, this is cumin. And put some cumin in there. I like lots. I'm going to add just a tiny bit of chili powder. I don't like things super hot. If you do, you could also add a jalapeno pepper, but I can't handle the heat anymore. My stomach just can't take it. I added just a tad more honey and a tad more chili powder. But you know, this is the kind of thing you play with, and you get it to you know, how you like it. How much honey do you like? How much chili powder do you like? But almost any time you add honey to something, people are going to like it because they detect the sweet. And I'm going to add in just a little bit of rice vinegar to give it that sweet and sour effect. I'm going to add a little bit of black seed. Now, if you don't have black seed, this is not a vital component to the salad. I just happen to really like it. It has kind of a smoky flavor to it, almost like a mesquite to me. Let's stir that up and see what we got. Now, of course, the start of this salad, we're not going to put in until the very end. That's cut up avocado. And that's going to give it like a really creamy texture. But this is a really good salad and simple. Let's get a clean spoon and give it a taste. That's good. Really, really good. But it needs the avocado. That's what sends it over the top. But look at it on its own, it's pretty good. I'm gonna add just a little bit of salt too. You can add salt and pepper if you want. I don't add salt and pepper automatically to everything. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Maybe you make a salad similar to this. If you do, let me know. Tell me what you do different. I might steal your ideas, who knows. But it's really good. I think it's the honey that puts it over the top because it's creamy because of the avocado, but it's sweet because of the honey. And you've got that lime and cilantro. Man, I love this salad. I hope you like it too. Have a great day.